All right, welcome to our quick tutorial on how to get our Executive Command Center 10-year edition file up and running on your device. You'll receive a how-to instruction manual on how to download files and get them up and running. So the most important thing here is the drive link. You'll click on this. This will take you to Google Drive location. From here, you'll see there is a Command Center 10-year ExecNote version 2.11 folder. So we're going to go ahead and download this. You'll see that when we do this, it's going to prepare a download and zip up the files. All right, once the files are zipped and downloaded, you can click on them in order to open them up. So easiest thing to do here is to go to your downloads folder. In your downloads folder, you'll see that there is a zipped file here. We're going to right click on that and we will go to extract all. You can pick any location to extract this to. I'm just going to let this stay in my downloads folder for now. Click on extract. Once that completes, it'll pop up with another window here. Really what this did was create another extracted folder. This folder also, because I specified the downloads folder, is living right here. You can see the difference is a zipped file and an unzipped file folder. So from here, I can double click on that. This is in essence our notebook. So this folder right here contains all of the notebook files and structure. If I double click on it, I can see that there are section files, there's a table of contents file, which is one of the most important ones, and within each of these other folders there are even more sections. So from here, the easiest way to get everything up and running is to double click on Open Notebook, and that should open up your OneNote, and voila, we are up and running. So it's going to open up to your initial tab, which is the Command Center. And as you can see on the left-hand side, or even across the top here, there are different section groups. On the left-hand side, this may be pinned or not pinned on yours. So you can open that up, pin it, and you can see all these sections. You can see that these sections are all gray because they haven't actually synced yet. So once you're in here, if you click on any sections or hyperlinks to sections that haven't synchronized yet, so if I want to go to the 2034 calendar, I'm going to get this little pop-up notification. We'll talk about how to get past this later. Oh, look at that. It did actually open up. If I click on 2027, it's still just opening up to 2034. If I wanted to open up another section, 2030, you'll see everything's just going to 2034. The reason for this is that these sections have not yet finished synchronizing. Once all of these are synchronized, all of the hyperlinks will start working. So even if I go to 2034 annual and I want to go to week number 4, okay, that one actually did work. If I want to go to this particular day, it took me to 2025. Again, it's just these links are temperamental until everything starts to sync. So we can force the synchronization by clicking on each of the tabs, and you'll see that these light up with color as they begin to synchronize. Once all of the sections are actually synchronized, the product will work as it is designed, and it will take you section by section by clicking on the links. So if we go to the Command Center, click on whatever, 2032, and if I wanted to go to the week 21 in 2032. Now it's taking me to week 21 in 2032. If I wanted to go to June 24th in 2032, look at that, June 24th, 2032. So all of the links will work once everything has been synchronized.